we call the neutralization reaction. Now, what could be the pH of the solution of the salt formed? Neutral? Take a look at this. Take 3 test tubes half filled with solutions of sodium chloride, sodium carbonate and ammonium chloride. Add a drop of universal indicator to all the 3 test tubes. Compare the colors with the pH chart. Sodium chloride is a neutral salt, sodium chloride is a basic salt, and ammonium chloride is an acidic salt. When a strong acid reacts with a weak base, what you get is an acidic salt. When a strong acid reacts with a strong base, what you get is a neutral salt. When a weak acid reacts with a strong base, what you get is a basic salt. Take a look at this. John is having his food. He thinks it is bland. What must be missing? Why is the food bland? Salt is the most important ingredient in most of the foods, without which your food will be tasteless. Salt, which is used in cooking, is also called common salt with the chemical name sodium chloride. Now, we know that common salt is a very important part of our diet. Let us learn some more things. The chemical name is sodium chloride. The chemical formula is NaCl. Main source of common salt is seawater. It is also found in as deposits in many parts of the world. These deposits are called rock salt deposits. Salt is got from seawater by evaporation process and further purified. It is also mined from underground rock salt deposits. Common salt as the raw material in the manufacture of chemicals of day-to-day importance. Let us look at the manufacturing process of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is manufactured by subjecting brine, which is the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, to electrolysis. The process is called chlor-alkali process because chlorine and alkali, sodium hydroxide, are formed as products. Raw material used is sodium chloride, which is very cheap as it is got from seawater. 3 very useful chemicals are formed in a single process. Sodium hydroxide is very useful. It is used as a raw material in soap manufacturing industries. It is used for degreasing of metals and oil refining, and it is in paper and textile industries. Can you guess why sodium hydroxide is used for degreasing? Grease and fats are long-chain fatty acids, that is, they are acidic in nature. Sodium hydroxide, being a base, reacts with the acid easily, and hence removal of the grease becomes easy. Let us look at some of the uses of hydrogen. Liquefied hydrogen is used as rocket fuel. Used in the hydrogenation of oils to convert to fats. Used in the production of hydrochloric acid, ammonia, methanol. Let us look at some of the uses of chlorine. As a disinfectant to sterilize drinking water and swimming pool water. In the production of hydrochloric acid and bleaching powder. In the production of pesticides, CFCs and plastics. Let us look at some of the uses of bleaching powder. Used as a household cleaning agent, disinfecting bathrooms and toilets, for disinfecting drinking water, for bleaching of cotton, wood, pulp and linen, as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries. Let us look at the manufacture of bleaching powder. Recall that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride brine. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2, though the actual composition is quite complex.